Want to know how to change your store location or change the store that you get your products from? Well, no worries. In Best Buy, you can also change your store and the location if it's irrelevant or not good for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you should be under the Best Buy application by default. So once you've opened it up, you should be under this interface, and changing your store location is super simple, or the store is super simple. So on the top right side, you should be seeing this store name right here. So for me is North Anchorage. So you can just simply select that, and here you can see find another store. And now once you've find another store, here you can see your stores near your location or your zip code. So you can just simply sort by zip or city and then select update. So you can also see after that, you can see your options as well. So 1 or 2, you can just simply select this and just simply select make this your store. And once that is done, your store should be set right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.